Hi, hello, namaskaram. I'm back with another vlog video. So today I'm doing a workshop for United Way Hyderabad about gender sensitization, and I went around 9 o'clock, got this makeup done, and started with the session.
We have today Patruni, operating pronouns, marketing, and Sastry, or certificated art expressionist dancer, performance artist, visual artist, model, and drag queen. So Sastry uses dance to talk about various social topics such as sex education, queer activism, and women empowerment. Today it's all welcome Patruni. So Saturday morning, it's raining, and we were supposed to have one more person along with you, but the other person couldn't turn up. So, I have to accept our invitation. Please join us. So, straight check on the time. So, it's exactly 11 o'clock now. So, if you want to say 12:15 or so. Performance for about half an hour, followed by it would be a blend of both. If you're missing, you're missing. So Q&A for 15 minutes towards the end. You are able to hear us clearly?
Yes, we are able to hear you closer to the mic, but not sure how loud it is.
I can be really loud.
Yeah, we can hear it now.
Great.
Okay.
So it's okay if you don't hear Bhushan and it's hard to hear Patruni.
No, it's like firstly a black queen and not loud. That is a shame for me. But having said that, hi everyone, how are you?
Very good.
Hi everyone, how are you? Hi. That's called as loud. And from there as well, I need the loudness. So my name is Patruni Sastry, and good morning. It's a Saturday morning, and I'm here to kind of talk and tell about a lot of things which are about gender, sexuality, blah blah blah, as in we go forward. But it's really important, like, to let you know who I am. So this is a time which I take for you to kind of guess what exactly is my gender, sexuality, and just by looking at me. Anybody can raise their hands and they can start off. Okay, I see this one big hand. There's a camera. This is a Telugu song which talks about poverty and how poverty can be seen in a far more different ways, different timelines, different ways. It's written by a really wonderful activist, and I hope this song transcends my idea of why I'm singing it today. Because there's a lot of difference between people who come from trans communities and people who are like me, gender fluid, urban class persons coming and talking to you. I want to take you from this place to the places where my trans sisters are coming. I hope that kind of translates. సో ఫస్ట్ కొంచెం పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత వెళ్ళి నేను వాళ్ళందరినీ నేను జెండర్ ఇంకా సెక్షువాలిటీ గెస్ట్ చేయమని చెప్పాను.
It's a safe space. I would not judge you for whatever you're judging me, but I will ensure that we kind of get why exactly we're doing this, like once the activity is done. So yeah, raise your hands and tell me who thinks what I am. Safe space. Be as fluid as you can, just like me. Don't hurt me.
Your name says you are a lady.
Okay.
That's what I can say. But probably your gender is different. who wants to have an identity.
Okay, that's really wonderful. Thank you so much. Can you add some water?
So Patruni, she is Rekha, the CEO of United Way Hyderabad.
And what do you think that I am?
Hasma.
Asma.
Indian was no problem.
हाँ, आपको क्या लगता है जो देखिए कि मेरा जेंडर क्या है, सेक्सुअलिटी है?
पहले तो आप जैसे आपकी एंट्री हुई मुझे लगाना था कि
क्या क्या होगा?
जैसे आपने तब मैं आपको देख लेती हूँ लगा
Okay. So कोई और क्या?
Please say your names, please.
My name is Sirisha and your name sound, I mean when I heard your name and I read about you, the names, I thought it was a male, but the attire is conventionally a females would wear, so yeah, that is what I had.
Thank you so much.
I don't want to repeat what you There's also Claire, which is very exciting and looking forward.
Okay, so I got around 5 answers. That's enough.
I would like to add, I think you are an expression of a woman, the main body.
So yeah, that is, I'll just kind of throw out those words: expression, gender, presentation. We had, idea of male and female, fluidity. So these are the words you can catch. And before we kind of catch, I am Patruni Sastry. Don't take my name seriously. And I am a drag artist where I use my gendered expression like this. I don't eat and kind of walk into my office like this quite often. But it's basically my way of telling that gender doesn't have any kind of belief or attack. So it's a form of art where I kind of would present. I identify as a gender fluid person. So some of them are really wonderful and light. So I don't see gender in one particular box. It moves from place to place. It's all over the place. So that is something which I identify as. I'm a pansexual, somebody who's attracted to all genders. And I'm India's first married pansexual drag queen. That's done. So, and also the Chinese. So, so with that note, I hope you understood, how it's easy to kind of predict somebody's gender, but we don't know what exactly is there behind. There's a plethora of gender, there's a plethora of structure which has been there. So my intent for today is to kind of go ahead and teach everybody, not teach as a teacher, but give information to everybody so that you understand it from kind of a bird's eye view and you practice it in your own day-to-day life to ensure that you are becoming inclusive, you are including everybody, all gender spectrums as we go forward. So before I talk even more, I think it's a time for a performance. How many of you are Telugus? Can you just raise your hand?
You didn't understand.
Understand Telugu. And anybody else who speaks Bengali? Okay, I'm checking my hand.
We have. Asim, you understand Bengali? Bengali, I can also understand.
I understand Bengali.
Great. We are still minorities. So let's start with the performance. I hope you dance with me, sitting or whatever you can. So, male, female, and intersex. So these are 3 different identities which are there under the umbrella of sex-assigned birth. So sex-assigned birth and gender can be different. Like somebody might have born as a man, but they do change their gender. We are not Mr. India for sure. But we are somebody who doesn't identify with one or the other kind of a gender, and we kind of go from one place to the other. Then we have transgender. I told you, transgender is quite commonly being used in India. తరిని ఇష్టపడితే బైసెక్షువల్స్ అంటారు, అందరినీ ఇష్టపడితే ట్రాన్స్సెక్షువల్స్ అంటారు. రెండు జెండర్ కలిసి ఉంటే జెండర్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ అంటారు, జెండరే లేకపోతే అజెండర్ అంటారు. అబ్బో రెండు జెండర్ కలిసి ఉంటే జెండర్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ అంటారు, జెండరే లేకపోతే అజెండర్ అంటారు. అంటారు ఒకరి ముద్దు చూసి ప్రేమిస్తే సాధశిక్షులు అంటారు అసలు తన కోసం వేషం వేసి ఫ్రాంక్విన్స్ అంటారు ఇది పైన మాత్రమన్న కాస్త సెన్సిటైజ్ చేతనన్న కమ్యూనిటీ అన్న LGBT కూడా అంటారు కదా పైన మాత్రమన్నా ఆ సెషన్ అంతా ఒక 1.5 hour సెషన్ అయింది. సో దాని తర్వాత నేను అది అన్మేకప్ చేసుకొని లంచ్ చేసుకొని ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాను అనమాట. ఇలాంటి సెషన్స్ నేను చాలా చేస్తూ ఉంటాను. ద బేసిక్ ఐడియా ఫర్ డూయింగ్ ది సెన్సిటైజేషన్ సెషన్స్ ఇస్ టు ఎడ్యుకేట్ పీపుల్ అబౌట్ జెండర్ అండ్ సెక్షువాలిటీ. సో దాట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ ఐ ఆఫెన్ డూ అండ్ దిస్ వాజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది సిమిలర్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ as well. It was a good crowd. అంటే వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి కూడా అర్థమైంది. They had conversations, we had good time. I didn't put the entire session in the video because ఎక్కువ పెడితే మళ్ళీ అంటే వీడియో టైం లైన్ కూడా కొంచెం ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది. అది కాకుండా అందరికీ అన్ని అర్థం కావు. సో హెన్స్ ఐ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ చాప్డ్ అవుట్ ఓన్లీ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్లు పెట్టి మిగతా అన్ని తీసేసాయి అనమాట. ఐ హోప్ యూ లైక్ దిస్ బ్లాగ్. ఇంకా మీరు బ్లాగ్స్ కనుక చూస్తున్నట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ go ahead and subscribe and shower your support. And నేను తెలుగులో ఫస్ట్ డ్రాగ్ క్వీన్ బ్లాగులు చేస్తున్నందుకు సో మీ సపోర్ట్ నాకు చాలా అవసరం ఉంటుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ go ahead and subscribe. ఇలాంటి సెషన్స్ మీ ఆఫీసెస్లో కానీ లేకపోతే మీ కమ్యూనిటీస్లో కానీ కావాలన్నా యూ కెన్ ఆల్వేస్ రీచ్ అవుట్ టు మీ. ఐ హోప్ దిస్ వాజ్ an informative as well as one peek into my life. I hope you will like it and yeah, please shower your love. Thank you.